and welcome to the Newark Recycling Center, one of the many places where you can recycle electronics for free in the state of Delaware. I'm Bryn.
I'm Amanda.
And this is Trash Can Dan.
At Delaware Solid Waste Authority, we ensure that the electronics you drop off are safely handled, securely managed, and appropriately recycled.
Wait! Are you sure you should be putting that TV in with the rest of your recyclables?
Well, I thought we could recycle electronics here.
Come with me. While it is the place to recycle, we have special bins that keep electronics separate from other types of recyclables.
Thanks for the help.
Good one, Dan. Hey, why did the laptop say it was hungry? 'Cause it didn't have enough megabytes.
Maybe you should stick to your day jobs.
Dan thought it was funny.
DSWA has 4 locations where you can drop off electronics 6 days a week. The Delaware Recycling Center and Newark Recycling Center in Newcastle County, Cheswold Collection Station in Kent County, and the Southern Recycling Center in Sussex County. DSWA also holds special collections throughout the state on select Saturdays from April until November.
At the drop-off sites, specially marked containers provide easy access to electronic recycling for residents, where items are separated by type for easy sorting. Electronics of any kind should never be placed in your recycling bin, at home or any bin marked single stream. Electronics and wires that end up at the materials recovery facility cause fires, tangle machines, and put the safety of workers at risk. And please remember, electronics are not allowed to be removed from any bins.
DSWA is able to provide a successful electronics recycling program thanks to our partner company, Sycamore International. Sycamore has become a valued asset to our local community through their commitment to data destruction, reporting, recovering, and recycling of electronic goods.
Not only do they pick up from DSWA locations, but they also service many Delaware school districts to provide refurbishment of their used electronics. Let's take a look at what happens to all of the electronics recycled throughout Delaware.
Man, it's getting really hot out here.
Yeah, it is. How does a computer stay cool in the summer?
I don't know how.
It keeps the windows open.
Yikes. Sycamore employees pick up electronics from all of our recycling centers several times a week. School districts can also contact DSWA or Sycamore directly for pickups. The electronics are then carefully loaded onto trucks and driven back to Sycamore's facility in West Grove, Pennsylvania.
Run it up.
Sycamore was founded in 2010 and has since expanded their facility to 60,000 square feet, with their largest building being dubbed the Delaware Building. Ooh. Expanding their processing facility allows them to reclaim value from over 40,000 devices a month while operating with an entirely carbon-neutral process. They generate 100% of their electricity on site from a solar microgrid. Hey Bryn, why did the solar panel go to school?
I don't know, Amanda. Why?
It wasn't bright enough.
Welcome to Sycamore. We're thrilled you're here. Come in to check out how we securely process Delaware's electronics.
Can't wait to check it out. Let's get started. The trucks are here and ready to unload.
Dan, I think you might need bigger gloves.
Once the trucks are unloaded, the electronic goods are initially sorted into 2 categories: data-bearing assets and non-data-bearing assets. Non-data-bearing assets are household appliances such as microwaves, fans, hair dryers, and vacuum cleaners. These are sorted and shipped to downstream vendors where they are dismantled into usable metal and plastic components. Data-bearing assets such as computers, laptops, iPads, and cell phones are storage devices that contain sensitive or proprietary data. These items, if deemed obsolete, will be recycled for materials. If in good condition, they are refurbished and resold.
The first step for all data-bearing assets is to securely wipe hard drives, solid-state drives, and other storage media. Sensitive data can remain on devices even after they are deleted or wiped at home, so this ensures the destruction of all existing data. I don't think that's how they do it. To maximize their operations, Sycamore has secure wiping stations that process multiple devices at one time. Any hardware that has not been verified as securely wiped is physically shredded. Otherwise, devices that are wiped of all data will be refurbished. To ensure the safety and security of your devices, Sycamore holds highly reputable certifications for processing and handling each device. Their NAID AAA certification from the National Association of Information Destruction means that they are subject to annual on-site audits, unannounced audits of the operational security of the facility, access controls, and data security practices, and have auditors randomly select erased hard drives to be tested in an independent lab to verify that the data is non-retrievable. Sycamore also has an R2 V3 certification, which is a comprehensive outcomes-oriented standard that includes best practices for protecting the environment and the health and safety of workers, communities, and data while complying with all applicable legal requirements. This provides accountability through the entire processing of your equipment.
Once devices are wiped and refurbished, Sycamore taps into the global demand for electronics. Whether it's single devices or pallets of electronics from schools, Sycamore ensures that their products are verified clean and are ready to begin a new life, domestically or internationally.
DSWA thanks all Delaware residents for properly recycling their electronic goods. Keeping these electronics out of the trash saves landfill space, captures valuable recyclable materials, and contributes to a circular economy.
We hope by showing you the recycling process, you can be confident that the safety and security of your devices is of utmost importance. DSWA appreciates your efforts to recycle.
Oh, Dan. See you next time.